Alright, we've got to do a little bike modification this morning here. I brought my bike mechanic. Gee.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So I decided to take this off because it raises the seat height about an inch or so, and I was feeling like that wasn't as safe as if it was where it was supposed to be. So we're going to try that, and I got a different kind of basket situation, and hopefully that will work.
Ta-da! I'm gonna need my brother to do that part.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Those latches are so tight, I can't move them. So when people tell me to fold the bike, I can't. Can't move the dang latches.
Okay, so
that brought the seat down some, huh?
oh, so much easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a booger.
Yeah, that right there is why I don't fold the bike.
Yeah. So, but if it's like Rich said, we can loosen that.
Yeah.
Same kind of latches what's on the seat.
Yeah.
It is, but it isn't. It needs.
It's okay though. I don't need to fold it really. Thanks, Vic.
You're welcome. Right.
Yep. I'm gonna try a different kind of bike basket. This one doesn't have a bird's nest in it, but it's cute. Let me know if you need help. So I put my speedometer in when I took it for a little ride a minute ago. 20. It goes 20.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's fun.
At its top speed. Nice. Thanks, Vic.
There you go.
Cool.
Stuck the landing.
Vicky and I decided to come camping this weekend, even though it is getting awfully close to June for this here in North Texas. I really don't like to camp when it's super hot, but today it's only supposed to be 85 for the high and the low is 60. And we brought our air conditioners, so it's not too bad. Sitting in the shade tree with the breeze blowing off that lake, it's actually been quite pleasant. So I want to show you around this little place. This is a place called Chaney Creek RV Park, and it doesn't look like much, but there's a bunch of full-timers up there, and they have some like little house cabins you can rent, and a beautiful, beautiful lake. There's a boat launch right there. There's Vicky chilling in the shade. Lovely day indeed. Vicky and I decided to come camping this weekend out here at Lake Fork, and we're going to do some Dutch oven cooking. We're going to try our hand at some barbecue chicken. The only thing is I forgot to ask Billy Strong ahead of time how many briquettes we need on the top and the bottom to do this properly. So I could pull up Pierre Heatseeker Bus's video and find out, but I don't know. I think Vicky wants to just wing it. What do you think?
I'm gonna think like Billy Strong. 26. You think?
Maybe.
I think 26 is Billy's magic number.
All right, that sounds good. We don't have one of those fancy chimneys, so let's do it the old-fashioned way.
How we do it.
First, I've got some chicken breasts here. I'm going to trim them a little bit and cut them in half. Then we're just going to throw those in the Dutch oven with some other ingredients. So this is my CampMaid 12-inch Dutch oven that I got from Bill Gowdy. I don't get a chance to use this much, so this is kind of a special occasion. Looking forward to it. He's a beaut. So I saw this recipe on YouTube. I don't even remember who the YouTuber was, but I wanted to try it out because it looked really yummy. Very simple recipe. I'm going to start off with some original recipe, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Then the recipe calls for a little bit of Coca-Cola. So I've got this bottle and pour a little bit of that in. So then we're supposed to add about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of water. Got Vicky's fancy stirring implement to stir this up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's still really thick, so.
Still very barbecue-y,
Okay.
but good. It's good.
And then I'm just going to pour the chicken in here in the sauce and see where we are. Got 3 chicken breasts because we're camping with another friend down the way. Alrighty. It's going to be yummy. Yep. Alright, looks good.
One twist for Billy.
I think it's ready. Ready for them coals. I think we need more on the bottom. That's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we need like 11 on the bottom.
All right.
And then not as many on the top, right?
You know what? I think it depends on if you're baking or if you're stewing or if
Oh.
you're what. You know what I mean? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's how it creates the heat.
And we're cooking chicken, so
Want more?
yeah. We want our chicken to cook.
Yes, we do.
Besides, you got all those briquettes. We'll use them, right?
You don't want to burn them, but
No, we don't want to burn it.
how's that?
I guess that's good.
You want
All right, I
more?
think they're supposed to cook for about 1.5 hours or so, so we'll check it here in a little bit and see where we are. We're going to throw some veggies on the grill to go with this here in a bit. This is going to be yummy. All right, the chicken's been on for about 30 minutes, I'd say, so Vicky's going to give it a quick look at, see where we are.
Looks like it's heating up. We got bubbling going on.
Oh, good, bubbles.
And
There you go.
that's for Billy Strong.
All right, we're going to check the progress here. Give it a little stirring. Oh, look at that yumminess. Yeah, I think we do need some more heat on the bottom.
The chicken looks like it's cooking though.
Well, it is. Nice. Oh man, that's a bubbly goodness right there, isn't it?
Yeah, I bet it's done.
I bet you're right. Here we are at the final product. Yum. Time to munch. Is it any good?
Delicious.
Yay. All right, I'm gonna dig in. Billy will correct us if we're wrong, I bet.
And we want him to, right?
Yeah.
We learn from him.
Absolutely.
Is that 11, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10?
Throw another one in the middle there. There you go. So is it any good?
It's delicious. Thank you.
Yay. Yep, looks good. Oops.
Check that one out.